So I'm sure you guys have been wondering where Bruce Brothers Garage has been. A few months ago, I took over the business from Mike, and I've been working diligently to make the next batch of kits, and which, if you haven't signed up for the pre-order, get them while they last. They should be start shipping by the end of the year, so now's a good time to get in. I've mostly been working on supporting current customers, getting new systems in place, just trying to take the business to the next level so that you guys can get parts cheaper, sooner, and with more documentation and more content. So on to content. Obviously we haven't posted a video in a while, but we have a lot of cool stuff in the pipeline. I'll be getting my 240SX back together, most likely, with its K-swap and maybe still the DCT. I haven't decided if I'm just going to try to simplify things, because I'm going to be building a 968 07K turbo swap so that I will have more personal experience doing the swap, and we can iron out a lot of the issues that you guys have been asking for, like figuring out the best power steering solution, the best air conditioning solution, factory gauge cluster integration, and just overall more integration with the vehicle. And the goal is to make as much documentation as I can so that this swap is as easy as possible. I want this to be the easiest engine swap in the world, and I want to make it affordable and available for everyone. Mike is still involved. He's working closely with me to help get me up to speed on everything, and he'll probably be more involved in the future. But for the meantime, he just wanted to focus his efforts on his new venture, Otto's Engine Shop. And Alan is obviously still involved. We're working on a lot of awesome new applications, which will have a lot of content and new parts and new kits. It just may take us a little time. I'm talking to someone else in the 07K community right now that we may collaborate on the channel together to get you guys more regular content. Maybe videos even multiple times a week. We'll see how it goes. And on top of that, I'm also working with someone that I'm bringing on to help with some of the support and really help with Instagram, Facebook, getting people's questions answered, getting information out there, and really helping my documentation efforts. We want to help the whole community and really get as much information out there, documented and organized and easily accessible as possible. We want to get your car swapped just as much as we want to educate you guys and keep you entertained and really just give you as many smiles per gallon as we can out of your builds. So obviously we're trying to cut down lead times so that we can get these parts to you guys sooner, but the ultimate goal is to build a business where we can actually have parts in the shop. We've also been working really diligently this year on setting up the new shop. So our new shop is 2,500 square feet, and it started its life as a pole barn, and we'll do kind of a little mini build video on it. But I did a lot of the work myself, and I'm going to take you guys on a quick tour to show you where it's at. We still need to get a lot of work done on it, but for now, we're finally in the space, and we're finally starting to organize and figure out inventory systems and better shipping. So this is the new shop. So this is going to be our dirty room, our fabrication area. We're going to have saws and hopefully eventually a mill in here. This will be where we fabricate mostly R&D stuff. This isn't our main fabrication facility, but this is really just a area for us to do R&D and prototyping and builds and you name it. This is the main shop area, and this will be our clean area.